Okay, for the subsequent one, sample mean, nothing much there. Here, the thing that you need to take note of is that if this is normally distributed, then you don't need to use CLT. So what is CLT? Later I'll talk about CLT. If this is normally distributed, the sample mean and the sample sum, or which we already done, will be normally distributed, so you don't really need to care about it, okay? So same thing, you just define let x, or they already define for you, x is actually the define for you already. So in other words, sample mean, so the required probability, very quickly, will just be P39 lies between, so this will be x bar 35, okay? So sample mean, we know that this will just be normally distributed 34, 78 over 13 plants, okay? Now, if it's normally distributed, we don't really care whether it's big or small. We can just use it. Only when it's not normally distributed, life is tough. So King calculator, you must be able to get the answer there. I think this one we done it before, so I'm going to skip this quick. 34, 78. I just want to stress on the normally distributed. This is 0.6378 3SF. That's pretty okay. Then sample sum would be, the required would be more than 450, so this will be x13. It's okay, right? The normal distribution for this, let's say this is W. 13 times 34, 13 times 78. That's about it lah. So King calculator, normal CDF, you need 450 to 10 to the power 99, and then this will be 13 times 34, 13 times 78. King calculator, 0. Okay, good job. That's about it.